We're starting the reproductive female maternity care and delivery lecture number 2. In your textbooks, I'm sorry I got cut off. I was on page 553, and right where you see that green box up above there is a good place to start. That's right where we were talking about twins in the paragraph above there at the top of the page. That green box is nice to kind of spell things out for us as well. And then the paragraph under is kind of interesting if you want to read about Medicaid in Illinois and Texas and how we should do those. And you will see some of that as you go. I can't teach state to state rules. There's just too many of them to have to go through. But as you get out and get working, you might run into other rules and regulations, policies, procedures that you need to follow when coding because of where you are working and the type of setting and things like that. So Antepartum Services, we don't have much to go through. I'm sorry I got cut off. We don't have long in this video. If you read through Antepartum Services, that's important. And then as we keep going through, really your CPT book is your best place to go, with any questions that you might have. Again, all the information is there for you as you need them. Introduction is talked about a little bit. Cervical ripening and the Prepidil gel or pill that's put in place is talked about at the bottom of page 554. At the top of page 555 in the textbook, the coding shots are pretty good for you to read through as the rest of the text really repair. Again, we're in the maternity care and delivery area, so OB repairs can be to the vulva, the vagina, the cervix, or the uterus. All of these repairs come and are located in the female genital subsection. Here in maternity care and delivery, codes are reported for only repairs that are made during pregnancy. Repairs made during delivery or after pregnancy are included in the delivery codes. So if that's taken care of, it's bundled in, so that's important. And the coding shot talks about that there too. Talking about abortion type services, these codes, and it gives you the range 59812 to 59857. It includes services for treatment for several types of procedures that we're talking about. A spontaneous abortion, there's nothing we can do about that, or a miscarriage, we often call it, is one that happens naturally if the uterus is completely empty during the miscarriage and the physician manages that miscarriage. Services are reported with just an office visit or an E&M code. Sometimes the abortion is incomplete and we need intervention to get the remaining fetal material out. The missed abortion is one where the fetus has died naturally sometime during that pregnancy, but it remains in the uterus. The physician removes the fetal material from the uterus and reports the service based on the trimester in which the service was provided. A septic abortion, so that's whether induced or missed, has the added complication of infection, hence the word septic there. The physician removes that material from the uterus and vigorously treats the infection, and there's code for that as well. And really that is the end of the female chapter, or chapter 21. Again, you can always do these learning objective reviews and the glossary reviews, the work at the end of the chapter. The answers for those are in the back of your book. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, you can read on and find your homework.